Christina Konen. I'm the senior editor at Neuron. So first slide, please. So at Cypress, we understand our responsibility for rigor and reproducibility of our publications. That's why we introduced our so-called STAR methods in 2018. STAR stands for structured, transparent, and accessible reporting, and is structured into 5 sections and a key resource table. We have detailed guidelines or checklists of the items that have to be reported in each section, ranging from resource availability to statistical analysis. A paper is not accepted for publication unless all of our criteria for transparent reporting of the methods are fulfilled. It's important to note that the STAR methods have unrestricted length, allowing the full reporting of all method details. Data sets of standardized data type must be deposited in a Cypress-approved repository, and it must be publicly accessible after the paper is published. And custom computer code must be deposited in a repository. That means DOIs are included within the supplemental information. So that's what we do at Cypress. The next slide shows our general thoughts at Neuron about these checklists. We publish papers in all areas of neuroscience, while the editorial team covers a broad range of expertise. We do not have specific checklists for every single technique, but we are aware of and refer to well-respected guidelines, such as Kubi does for neuroimaging studies. A potential challenge is how to systematically adopt and update guidelines for all neuroscientific techniques without referring or neglecting certain areas. So that's important, I guess. We'd like to emphasize that in addition to checklists, we think that it is crucial to publicly share data and code to promote transparency. So taken together at Neuron, we agree that reporting checklists in brain and mental health studies are a useful tool to promote transparency and reproducibility, and we'd be happy to encourage the adoption of specific guidelines for human brain studies if the community will find them helpful. So that's why we need, I would like to have some sort of feedback from the bottom up from regarding inclusivity, as mentioned before. So that's not just feedback from a pre-selected group as is present here in the webinar. These are my thoughts, our thoughts, Neuron's thoughts. Thank you.